all, today's recipe is the ultimate Ambur Star Biryani. Ambur Biryani hails its name after the town named Ambur. Back then, this was the most favorite cuisine of the Arcad Nawabs. As we go ahead with the recipe, I'll share more facts about the recipe. Meanwhile, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Take a note of ingredients listed on screen or in the description box below. So what's special about this biryani is, unlike the usual long grain basmati rice, we use a special variety of rice which is short grain rice called as Jeera Samba or Jeera Masala or Jeera Samba rice. So now take enough water in a pot, add whole spices, 1 slit green chilli and few mint leaves. Rinse and soak half a kg of Jeera Samba rice. Until the water comes to a boil, we will start preparing the Yakhni. Take another pot, heat it and add oil. Now add rest of the whole spices. Now add thinly sliced onions and fry until golden brown. As I said, the name Ambur Biryani hails from the town named Ambur because it was first introduced in a restaurant at Ambur by one of the chefs of royal kitchen of the Nawabs, hence the name Ambur Biryani. The onions have turned golden brown now. Let us add some ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Now add turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Again give a quick stir and then add curd. The original Star Biryani is made using fresh red chilli paste as it gives rich color to the recipe. You can also substitute with Kashmiri red chilli powder just like me. It's time to add tomatoes. Add some salt. Also green chilies. Let this cook for about 5 minutes. The tomatoes have softened now. Let's add the chicken pieces and mix it well. Most of them add curd after the tomatoes, which totally turns off the color. So hence I add tomatoes in the later stage, whereas curd before. Now let's add some mint leaves, coriander leaves, and again give it a good stir. Cover and cook in medium flame for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll add enough salt to the boiling water and remove the spices and green chilli. I personally don't like excess garam masala in biryani, hence this is optional. If you want, you can keep it as such. Let's get back to the Yakhni. We can add some water at this stage. Mix it well. You can taste for salt. I have added some salt. Cover and cook it for 15 minutes under low flame. So the oil has oozed out well. Let's add the lemon juice as the final touch. Let it cook for 5 minutes. The yakhni is all done. Turn the flame to the lowest until the rice is ready. The water has started to boil well. Drain the water from the soaked rice and add it. So wait for a boil and check if the rice is 75% cooked. Drain the excess water. Now add half the quantity of rice. Add the chicken pieces and rest of the yakhni. Spread the remaining portion of the rice over it. Sprinkle few mint leaves. Add some food color, but don't forget to add a tablespoon of ghee on top of it, as it enhances the aroma of the biryani. Turn the flame high for 2 minutes. Then simmer it for 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it rest for 10 more minutes. Now gently fluff the rice. Trust me, the entire house is filled with the aroma of biryani. There we go. The chicken is soft and juicy and the taste is so good that you don't need any side dish. Try it and enjoy with your loved ones. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.